Smash like.
Hello there, my friends. You can see I'm patching some water damage I got behind this wall and behind the paint that was making the paint bubble. This here looks like a crack that's going to form in the wall. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to repair this crack. Now, I've been told that one thing that you should do if you have a crack, a visible crack, is to take a utility knife, like so, and scratch it and make it bigger. And I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. The other thing that you might people would say, like, maybe kind of like peel the paint off. I guess I could do that. But I'm just going to tape right over it. So here's what I'm going to use. I do have a utility knife. I don't really need that. I have a hawk. You don't really need a hawk, but I happen to have one, so I'm going to use it. It acts like a nice drip tray when you're like working on the wall, and especially if you're a novice like me. And I'm going to use this 10-inch knife, and I'm also going to use this putty knife. And that's about all I'm going to use. I'm going to mix my own. Oh, and I'm sorry, and you actually need some drywall tape. This is like $1.50 at the hardware store. If you don't need, if you already have tools, you don't. Like I said, you don't need the hawk. You can just use like one of these little containers right here to mix your stuff in and scrape your tools on the side. You could have, a little Ziploc container like that, or Rubbermaid. Try to get something with a flat edge though, like square instead of a round one, because that's going to help you when you're scraping. All right, let's go make some mud.
Smash like.